Hi everyone. Your Windows 11 PC is about to get up to 70% faster with a new update from Microsoft. They are working on a specific design to accelerate startup times for core tasks. This new high performance mode, which some are calling the low latency profile, is reported reaching 40% faster app load time and a strategy 70% faster interface launch times is the answer to this sluggishness many have complained about since Windows 11 launch. So, how is the Microsoft pulling this off? They have added a performance boost that ramps up your CPU to maximum frequency in short bursts. This allows for a high number of operations per second right when you need it. Windows Insider Tester as says these burst almost between 1 to 3 seconds, triggering the moments you start an app or load an interface like File Explorer. When you open apps like Edge or Outlook, you will see a massive spike in CPU frequency to ensure everything snaps open instantly. That's why they call it as a low latency. If you can see here the CPU, how the performance is moving. Not everyone is happy. Critics argue that jacking up your CPU to 100% just to open the start menu might cause throttling or make your fans kick up unnecessary. However, Scott Hanselman from Microsoft pointed out that your smartphone already does this. Every time you touch the screen, it wakes up cores and boosts clock to render frames smoothly. While you might not notice a massive difference on high-end Ryzen or Intel i9 for average user, the difference is responsive is clear. Windows Central they have introduced and posted in Twitter in the X handle. You can see the latency before and after how it has been performing. This is being tested internally and is being posted in the X handle. This all part of the upcoming K2 update, which brings several other improvement Microsoft is trying to give user more control. For instance, you can now skip updates immediately during the out-of-box experience or from the desktop. Your Windows Update experience just got updated. This is the blog post which is being posted in the Insider program. It's being clearly mentioned here what are the updates has been taken in from your systems in the Windows 11. You can skip update immediately during OOBDE acknowledgements. You can see here there is a process called the skipping process. Even the Windows update, you can schedule it up to your date and time period, and you can pause the update as per your convenience. Shutting down restarts on your terms. These are more improvement has been done. More insights on available updates, fewer disruptions. Now the available updates you can install at any time as per your convenience. More or less these updates are more important to make the system more faster, keeping you secure by default. Stay protected with your flexibility. Microsoft has a challenge ahead with Windows 10 support ending in October 2025. They need to convince over a billion users to make the switch. Many are still hesitate due to bloatware advertising or strict hardware requirement. Is a 35 days pause or a CPU burst enough to win your over, or are you sticking with Windows 10 or even moving to Linux? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.